Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how canned food is processed, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more.
Our automated system ensures the perfect balance of seasoning and preservatives for long-term freshness. Every can is vacuum sealed to lock in nutrients and prevent oxidation.
Every batch is quality checked and lab tested before leaving the facility.
And that's how canned food is made, from the farm to your pantry.